In this video, I'll demonstrate how to apply weighting to your different assignment groups, or as they are referred to in PowerSchool, assignment categories. But since we're working in a Canvas class here, I'm going to use the Canvas terminology. We're going to head over to the assignments silo in your Canvas class menu and load that page up, because that's where the action starts. Now when my assignments page loads up, you'll notice I have these three boxes here. These are containers. When I expand them, you'll see different types of student work I'm going to be asking my students to do throughout the marking period. And I have a third one here for miscellaneous things, emergency lesson plans that I have ready to activate in case I need them to do that, pre-tests that I'm going to ask students to do to demonstrate their knowledge before they begin a chapter that I don't necessarily want calculated into the report card grade, but it's work that I'm going to ask them to do all the same. I have this third assignment group here, a container, if you will, a bin to toss all that stuff into. Okay, now if you don't have any of these created, if this is your first Canvas class, this page might be filled with a default assignment group called assignments, and maybe everything that you've created has been put into that. If you want to organize your assignments page a little bit so it looks similar to this or in another way, you simply can go up to the add group button up here, and then it's very intuitive. You add a group name, and then once you hit save, the new one will append to the bottom. Okay, and then of course you can drag these in whatever order makes sense visually for you to see. Let's go and start applying some weighting to these different assignment groups. Okay, so over here in the top right corner, this three-dot menu, we're going to click to the one that makes the most sense, assignment group weight. And when the box opens, it's not that exciting looking. That's because we have to click this checkbox that says, yes, Canvas Gradebook, I'm going to ask you to do some extra math here. Pay attention to this math and calculate student grades based on the weighting I'm about to assign. So let's get this going here. And you'll see the three assignment groups that I've created on my page up here, right here. Again, that's why it's important for you to create your groups first before you come into this step. Assuming that you've done that and you're all set to go, I'm going to weight my evidence as 90 and my homework as 10, and I'm going to leave the not included in report card grade area, of course, as 0. And once that looks okay, I'm going to click Save. When the page refreshes, you'll see 90, 10, and 0 up here, just like I hoped it would do. If for whatever reason your page doesn't refresh, just come on over here, give the page a nudge, and allow it some time to redraw, and hopefully those assignment grades will appear for you there too. Now, this takes care of the math in Canvas. So if you try to keep your Canvas gradebook grade the same as your PowerSchool gradebook grade, and you have the two systems talking to each other at night with a grade sync, that's wonderful. This does not take care of your weighting over in PowerSchool. That's an additional step you'll have to do over in that platform. But for right now, this class, these weights are all set to go. And if you have any questions about this, ask a neighbor, ask somebody up the hallway who knows a thing or two about Canvas, or reach out to a coach to help you out.